Still cooking with one temperature setting? Are you kidding me? Step it up with the Billord Air Fryer's dual temperature control. You can set temps from 60 to 200 degrees for different dishes. Imagine cooking that perfect steak while air frying fries at the same time. Cook each ingredient to perfection and become the culinary queen or king. Tired of cooking in shifts? That's so last season. Check out the dual 4L drawers in this air fryer, fam. You got 8 preset modes to create a feast in minutes. Think salads, meats, and snacks all at once. Yum! Does your current air fryer make you guess time? Why though? This Billord beauty has a timer that goes from 0 to 60 minutes. Set it and forget it. No more overcooked disasters. The Billord air fryer makes cooking super easy for everyone. Ever picked into your fryer and burned your fingers? No more. With the see-through window, you can check your food anytime. See that perfect golden crispy finish without interrupting cooking. The internal light tube shows when it's time to chill or crank it up. Worried about your investment? Chill out. Billord has a 365-day warranty to cover any mishaps. If something's up, you can contact customer service super easy. Plus, they hook you up with pro recipes to level up your cooking game.